We are in Ise in Mie Prefecture, and we are in a luxury ryokan with just 5 rooms called Auberge Yusura, and it has 5 rooms. It's quite a modern style ryokan, but modern in a Japanese way. So I'm going to first show you the one of the rooms. There's 5 rooms. They're all of similar quality and aesthetics, but there's one that's slightly more expensive and spacious. So most of the rooms, I haven't done my homework yet, are about 65 square meters. The room at the very end, it's called Keyaki, and that's where we're going right now, has 80 square meters. You see fresh green leaves in May. So this is Mie Prefecture, which is part of the Kii Peninsula, which is shared by Nara and Wakayama as well. This area is known for the Ise Jingu Shrine, as well as the shrine town called Okage Yokocho, which has a lot of cool shops and a lot of history. The architecture is really beautiful as well. And there's aquariums, there's all kinds of sea-related activities. And not too far, it's about 45 minutes from Shima, which is another resort area where there's actually an aman over there as well. But really it's the Ise Jingu, the Grand Shrine, which is the main thing to see around here. Although Toba, which is the neighboring town, is the place that has a pretty iconic aquarium and other things for families to do. It also has the ama divers. The ama are the women who dive for pearls, among other seafood, but pearls is what they're known for. This is where Mikimoto got its established its business. And so ここって何年に建てられたんですか? Oh, so this is in its 8th year, so it's about 2018. じゃあコロナがちょっと前っていう感じですね。So, で、欅っていうのはこれがある分の広さの違いなのかな？
全室和室はございます。和室のサイズであったりこのスペースが。
I see. So all rooms have the bed as a living room with TV and a Japanese tatami room, a tea room. But this one, Keyaki, is slightly more spacious. So you can see here's the bathroom. This is a non-factor in Japan. They all have the latest washlet toilets in Todo style. Wash basin. This is the shower and bath that you fill yourself. So this is onsen. あ、すいません、まだいます？まだいます？外にあるのが温泉なんですか？へえ。
三重県津市の榊原温泉です。
榊原温泉。それを毎日こう運んできてるんですか？
定期的に、料理が決まっております。
So the hot springs is outside, and you can see. So over here, there's a pretty rock garden. Below, you have a better view from the restaurant in the lobby. There's a lake or a pond, which is actually a seawater one with some seawater fish. I'm sure it's man-made, but there is kind of this tranquility. And this is a ume, or a plum tree, with fresh greens. In February, I'm sure it sprouts in a pretty impressive fashion. the plum blossoms. So you walk over here. Oh, I guess there's a way to open it. Oh, here we go. So it's nice to have towels. I think you can heat this area up if you want to warm up after being outside, or while you're toweling off. Let me see here. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just go out. All right, I don't think I locked myself out of here. Okay, so this is onsen right here. All right, so Auberge Yusura is known for its food, among other things, but the word auberge, especially in Japan, is often attributed to European-style fusion or French-inspired cuisine. But here, they took the word auberge literally. In Europe, it's known as a place that serves dinner and breakfast. But it is a Japanese high-quality food that they serve here, which hence the name auberge in that kind of that literal meaning. So anyways, this is Keyaki, and yeah, at Auberge Yusura. Show you some other rooms in a second.